My name is Kristen and I work for Daily City Recreation. And today we're going to be making some chocolate crinkle cookies. In a medium-sized bowl, mix together the cocoa powder, white sugar, and vegetable oil with the whisk. Beat in the eggs one at a time until fully incorporated and mix in the vanilla. Add your flour, baking powder, and salt to the wet mixture and stir with a spatula just until a dough forms. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and refrigerate overnight. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and set aside. Roll your cookie dough into balls and evenly coat each ball of dough in icing sugar. You can also use a cookie scoop if you have one. Place them on the prepared baking sheet and bake for 10 to 12 minutes. Allow the cookies to cool on the baking sheet for 5 minutes and enjoy!